everybody, welcome to my video today. I want to share with you the Simply Layered kits for the month of December. So this month we are using the Festive Farmhouse suite of product that can be found in your catalog on page 13. And I have pretty much purchased every single thing in this suite of product. The stamp set, the dies, the designer paper. I just picked up more of the designer paper. I have the buttons, which unfortunately sold out. And I'm hoping to include a couple of those in this month's kit for you guys. I love the embossing folder. So this is a great set of product to have on hand. If you don't already have it, you can order it. I'm going to show you what our suggested supply list is after I go through the kit with you for this month. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is Simply Layered Kits with Chris and Tina. And the way that this works is you use the host code that we provide for you. If you're ordering from Chris, she has a host code set up. If you're ordering from me, there is a host code, and I will stick it right down here. You use that host code and you order $50 of product. You can use you can order any product that you want. It has to be a minimum order of $50. When you do that, you are going to get all of the pieces to make this Simply Layered page. So it's a double-sided traditional scrapbook page. You can see here it will just go into a 12 by 12 page protector. Then you get a kit to create a simply layered card that Chris makes, and we have exclusive videos showing you how to put this stuff together. So she usually does also a simple 3D project. It's kind of a bonus project, and she likes to do that. So in total, you get 2 to 3 projects to make. We send you all of the pieces to make the projects, with the exception of anything that's 12 by 12. So in this case, there will be 2 items that we will not be sending you. We will not be sending you the Festive Farmhouse designer paper. Here's another piece of it. So you will need to purchase a pack of 12 by 12 Festive Farmhouse designer paper. And then also this layer right here, this red layer, this border, this is cherry cobbler. And this piece right here is a little larger than what we would be able to ship. So you will need to have a pack of the Regals Neutrals, or I'm sorry, the Regals 12 by 12 cardstock. Okay, so down below in the YouTube description, over on my website and on Facebook, there is a list of items that you absolutely have to have in order to create this. Or you can change things out if you want. You could use a piece of gray granite cardstock. You could use different for the background if you wanted. Same thing with your red piece here. But those are just the pieces that we do not ship, okay? So you will need to pick those up and have those on hand. And then also the other supply item that we have listed is the Farmhouse Christmas and the Farmhouse dies. So in your package, you will need to cut, when you are doing your kit, you will need to cut your fence down here, down below. And then I fussy cut my house out, but there is a die to cut the house out if you wanted. And then these right here, these trees are exclusive. They are from a retired die from Stampin' Up. So these trees will be included in your kit, and then you will get all of the layering pieces to layer down. And then this month, what we're doing is we're also adding another insert, because I feel like during Christmas time, during the holidays, it's so hard to have a place for all of your photos, to have enough spots. So here you will see, here's lots of photos. These are going to be 4 by 4 photos. So they're going to be really easy for you to layer your photos on here, because you're just going to have to trim your photo a tiny bit, just by 2 inches. And then I felt like that gave you a really good way to decide which photos and how much of the photo you wanted in there, but we still got quite a few photos on here. And then this month, your free gift is going to be a 6 by 12 insert page, and this is a design A, and what I've done is I've just snipped it in half. So what you will get is you will get a 12 by 12 design A. Okay, so it will be a full 12 by 12 page protector. You can choose to do the whole page protector in the middle of your layout. I will be showing you that during the exclusive video, or you can snip it off. I will be including this really fun Avery index tab that we'll be using and we'll be stamping on it. You will get the die, and then you will get these pieces. You'll get this piece of wood grain paper, you will get these two pieces, this piece of designer, all in either 3x4 or 6x4. You'll get this piece, and then you'll get some Mossy Meadow. That's the color we're using. That coordinates. So if you do the whole 12 by 12, you'll need to use some of your Festive Farmhouse. But if you choose to cut your page protector, then you'll have all of these pieces, and photos can go in here. You can slip photos in here. This is probably where maybe a photo might go. So you'll have that insert to go with that. So you will get, let me just go over really quickly again what you'll get. When you place an order of $50 or more, you will get all of the items to put your kit together. So here are the ordering options. For $20, you can just get the videos and the PDF to put the project together. So maybe you don't want the kits, you just want the videos and the PDF, that's $20. For $25, you can get just the kit pieces. So that's nothing that's 12 by 12, just the kit pieces, and then you would get the card kit pieces, and if there's a 3D kit, you would get that as well, and you would get the free gift that goes in this, and that's $25. You just don't get anything that's 12 by 12. If you place an order of $50 or more, you will get the exclusive videos, the PDF, all the pieces for the kit, the free gift that's included, and all of that you'll get for free, and then you'll have the pieces to put together. So just as a reminder, you will need to pick up the Festive Farmhouse designer paper because that's what we use for our background. You will need a set of the Regals cardstock because that's where you will find the cherry cobbler piece. And then if you want the fence and the house, you will need the stamp set and the die. So if you have any questions, you can email me or leave a comment wherever you're watching this, on my website, on YouTube, on Facebook. If you're getting this in an email, you can always ask questions if you need to. The host code is down below. It's going to be like right here, around here somewhere. Use that host code just so that I know this is what you're wanting to get. That's how I know that you're wanting to get the Simply Layered kits. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. There's photos over on the website along with a timeline of exactly when things will ship out to you and all the upcoming information for the Occasions catalog products that we're going to be using and how you can get an Occasions catalog right with your kit when you get that shipped to you. So thank you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later this week with more projects for you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are two other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.